So we're starting a new module, and it's module 10, and we're going to be doing polynomials. So let's discuss polynomials real quick. Polynomial is a monomial, or the sum of two or more monomials. I will give you an example. X, or x plus 2, or x squared minus 2x minus 5. Now you may not remember what a monomial is, so let's go over what a monomial is. A number or variable or a product. Notice how it doesn't say quotient, it says product. So, oops, I meant to do this. So when we're talking about this, guess what? A monomial is x, 2, 2x, negative 14x squared. Those are all monomials. You could actually have 5xyz. There's no addition or subtraction. It's all multiplication. Binomial means that there are two monomials. So you could have x plus 5. You could have x plus y, x squared minus 2x. Trinomial means that there are three monomials. So you could have x squared plus 2x minus 5. You could have xy plus 2x minus 2y. I don't know why 2's are so popular today. Now this is where it gets tricky. The degree of the monomial, I can't speak. The degree of the monomial is the sum of the exponents of all its variables. A non-zero constant has the degree of 0. So if I was looking at x to the third power, its degree is 3. Degree 3. If I have x, the degree is 1. If I have x squared, y squared, the degree is 4 because you add those two exponents together. Okay? So the degree of the polynomial is the degree of the greatest. It's the greatest degree of the polynomial. So if I have 4x to the 7th minus 10x to the first, y to the 7th plus 9xyz. Okay? So I add the exponents. So if I have x to the 7th, that degree is 7. If I have x, y to the 7th, that degree is 8. If I have x, y, z, the degree, oops, I'm going to run out of space. No, I'm not. Degree is 3. So which one is the greatest one? This one. So the degree of the polynomial is 8. Standard form of a polynomial. Okay, so the terms written in order from greatest to least. So if I took the one that I did up above and put it in order, it would be negative 10xy to the 7th plus 4x to the 7th plus 9xyz. Leading coefficient. So your leading coefficient for this is when a polynomial is in standard form, the coefficient of the first term. So if I look up to this one up here, my leading coefficient would be negative 10. So I come here. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is. What degree? Oh, I should say this is a binomial. What degree is it? So this right here's degree is 2. This degree is 1. So the degree is 2. Oh, classification. That's what goes there. Is this a polynomial? Yes, it is. Because regular numbers can be. Now, that doesn't have any variables, so I come up here. A non-zero constant has a degree of 0. Okay? So that means it's 0. its classification is a monomial. This one, this right here would be actually 2 over x squared, so no. Okay? You can't have this in the denominator. The next one is yes, the highest degree. Well, there's only one variable, so we just look at the exponent. So that's 3. And you can put these together to be negative 3x. So that is actually a trinomial. This one right here, look at this. We have a squared, we have a squared. So yes, it is. It is 2, and this is a trinomial. Again, this is going to be 3 over z squared, so no. I look at this one, yes it is. It has a degree of 3, and it is a trinomial. This one's all lonely, but yes it is. It has a degree of 1 because that exponent is 1, and that's a monomial. This one, yes it is. It has a degree of 1, and it is a binomial. This one down here, right in standard form. So this has a 1. This would be x to the 0 power. This is the highest one, so I'm going to put this first, then this x squared. Oops, helps if you put the right thing. Plus 4x plus 12. Goes in descending order of exponent. This is the highest exponent. Then I get this, so minus 10b squared plus 5b plus 35. Then the next part talks about addition and subtraction. You did this in Math 8 or in Math 7. You add the exponents, 4x squared minus 13. This one, this is the same as this, so I get x squared. Then I have a 4x. Notice how I'm putting it in descending order. Okay, now if you had subtraction on the other hand, be careful with this, because on subtraction you have to distribute that negative. So I would get 4x, because these combine, then these two would get plus 8. On this one, x plus 2, distribute my negative. Remember, you want it in standard form, so the 3x squared goes first because there's nothing to combine. These two, I get negative 6x. These two, I get negative 12.